This is a tutorial on how to write a found poem from an assigned passage. First, you'll see this assignment. It will be found poem, write a poem about the passage by using words and phrases, kind of like a word collage from what you find in the passage. You are not required to rhyme, and I want you to avoid complete sentences. So first, we look at the assigned passage. In this case, I'm going to be using a passage from Always Running. As I go through the passage, I am looking for central themes, images, something that stands out to me that I think is important to the passage. I then go through the passage and I highlight certain words and or phrases. How do I highlight it? Well, you've been assigned a PDF of your own. You use this comment tool. When it comes up, it turns into crosshairs. You click and drag a box over what you want to highlight. It gives you a comment. You type anything in there. I type a period and I click it, and now it's highlighted. If I don't like it, I click on it and I can resolve and get rid of that. So I highlight things that stand out to me, a word or a phrase or parts of it. Then I take those words and I paste them or I copy them into a 5 to 10 line word collage called a found poem. And here is one. Okay? It does not need to make sense. It does not need to rhyme. It does not need to be complete sentences. It does not need to be good. If it is from the passage and it has 5 to 10 lines, you will receive full credit. The main idea of this activity is to focus on a central theme or central image. And by trying to make this poem, it'll force you to better analyze for that.